Hey lovelies. So yeah, Arichain has now dropped an information that I already shared on my TG community. I shared it with the TG community on how you can claim your Arichain tokens. Now this is Arichain official website handle X, and it says the Ari wallet in-app information registration update has been completed. Please complete the following steps. Register your EVM wallet address. That is, you enter a wallet address such as MetaMask. Do not use Ari wallet address. I'm going to show you exactly what to do so that you don't make a mistake. Do not use your Ari wallet address. Now, you can use MetaMask, but I'm going to be using OKS because I already imported my MetaMask wallet into my OKS, so it's easier for me. Then your Twitter handle. Enter your Twitter handle, including the @ then in Discord handle, go to Discord, go to my account and enter your username, not your display name. I'm going to walk you through the process. Make sure to complete this process. Now you have less than 17 days to do this, and they are saying once again, we want to emphasize that we do not connect or access your wallet directly. Be careful of scam links and fake announcements. So yes, I'm going to walk through the whole process. So just new to my blog channel, you are most welcome. My name is Susan. This is where I share everything: crypto trading, airdrop updates, my no free recipes on cake, small chops, food trip from time to time. I also share how to earn money on the side. So if you're not on the Telegram community, if you're not on my Telegram community, you are missing out big time, because I share updates on airdrop on any site as it drops back to back. So yes, this is Arichain, and this is how to register and how to do all this process, and how to get your account set up and to claim before the end or before they close the portal. The next thing to do is to come to your app store or come to your Play Store and search for Ari wallet. And once you search for it like this, you're going to come down here and then you are going to update the app. Just come here and click on update to update the app just as such. Once you are through updating the app, you just click on open, and just the way we usually claim, you come here, you click testnet. Now mainnet is set to be launching in November, December. Now because they are done with their testnet for now, you can no longer claim daily. So you come here, you click on submit your tax proof. Now when you click on submit tax proof, it's going to pop up this. You need to enter your EVM wallet address, submit your Discord handle, submit your X or Twitter handle. Now our advice is to always follow me on X, which is Twitter. The link to my X or Twitter handle is always in the description box of this video. So follow me on X and turn on post notifications so that I don't miss out on all these details. Then join my TG community on Telegram so that you don't miss out on all the updates we share. Then the first thing you want to do is to submit your EVM wallet. Like I said, you can use MetaMask, but I'm using my OKS because I already imported my MetaMask into my OKS and it makes it easier. So now the first thing you want to do is to get your EVM wallet address. So now I already imported my MetaMask into my OKX, so it's easier for me. I don't have any glitches when I'm accessing it. So you click on this drop down button, just come to the home page, click on this drop down button like this, and then what you want to copy is your EVM wallet. Click on drop down button like this to bring out a list of all the accounts you have. So yes, it is MetaMask I want to use. My MetaMask already there. I'm just going to click on copy. Just click on copy, and then it's going to bring all this. It's going to bring all this. So this is the wallets you want to copy. This is the wallet you want to copy. This Ethereum that starts with OXE. This is what you want to copy. So you come down here, you click on copy. You click on copy, and automatically you've gotten your EVM wallet address. Then I'm going to minimize, and I'm going to go back to my Arichain, and I'm going to log in again. Just watching my video for the first time, do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification. You click on submit your tax, you come here, you are going to paste that EVM wallet address. Just paste it. Then the next thing is asking for is to submit your Discord handle. Now let me show you that your Discord handle is different from your Discord username. This is my Discord. I'm just going to come down here and you're going to click on this place that shows you. Once you click on that place that shows you, it is going to pop up your profile like this. Now this particular one here that is bold is your Discord name, but this one here is your Discord username where it has the she or her. This one here is your Discord username, so this is one you are going to use for Arichain. Don't use this particular one, don't use this one, don't use this one. This is not the one you are going to use. It is the one beneath it you are going to use for your Arichain username for Discord. So I'm going to come back now and come back to my Arichain, and then I'm going to write my Discord username just like as it was. Make sure you are spelling it correctly. If you're just watching my video for the first time, do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification, and also do well to follow me on X. Now I'm going to enter my X handle, the X username. Luckily for me, I usually make use of the same handle or almost across all my social media and social media network. So once you are through, you come down and you make sure you click on this verify. So it's going to pop up all your information, and then you click on submit. So you've automatically completed this task. The tax proof submitted successfully. Now we need to go and do the same thing on Discord. We need to do the same thing, this submission. We need to do it on the Arichain Discord server. So it says to complete your proof submission, please enter the same information, which is your wallet address, your Discord handle, and Twitter handle using your submitted Discord account. So I'm just going to click here and go to and click on home. Now you see that here is saying tax successfully submitted, and you have less time to do this. So anytime you are seeing this video, kindly do this right now. Next thing you want to do is you want to come down here and make sure you're on the Arichain server, the Arichain Discord community. On the Arichain Discord community, make sure you are here. I'll drop the link in the description box of this video too. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you come to the Discord. I'm going to drop the link of that Discord in the description box of this video too. Come to the Discord, make sure Arichain here is selected. This is their Discord server, Discord community. And the next thing you want to do is you want to come down here and click on account registration. Click on this account registration just like this. Now you need to do this before the time frame elapses, and you are going to see that you'll be seeing message. You'll be seeing the option for you to input message. You'll see this option to input message, this option like this to input message. If you don't see it on yours and you see yours is showing done reading, like that is done reading, just wait and refresh and come back and check back. It is going to show. So this option that is showing message, you click on this message. If you're watching my video for the first time, do well to subscribe and turn on post notification, and always remember that you can always leave me comments in the comment section. I will definitely respond irrespective of how many times you drop a comment. Keyboard, you click on this slash, and once you click on the slash, it's going to bring this account registration bot. See it here, Arichain account registration bot. This particular one here, you click on it, and once you click on it, you click on the send. And once you click on the send button, it's going to pop up the same information. If you don't click on the send button, it's not going to pop it up. It's going to pop up the same information that you entered on the Arichain server. I'm going to paste my EVM wallet. Fine, you see I've pasted my EVM wallet. It's already here. Please just take your time, don't rush through the process. My EVM wallet's already here, and I'm going to enter the same Twitter handle that I entered. If you know you're not following my Twitter account or my Twitter profile, and your post notification is not turned on, or you're not even in my X community on Twitter or my TG community, you are really missing out. So I'm going to enter the same Twitter handle. Make sure everything you're spelling is correct. The next thing is you're going to enter your Arichain wallet. I'm going to show you what your Ari wallet is. Now, my device supports a multi-window, or that is, I can use open about 2 or 3 apps at the same time on my device. So this is my Arichain app. The next thing you want to do is to come down here and click on receive. You click on this receive, and once you click on receive like this, it's going to bring this address. This is your Ari wallet address, your Arichain wallet address. This is different from your EVM wallet address. So this is the Arichain wallet address. See, it starts with ARW. So you come here, you click on copy. Like I said, this is different from your EVM wallet address, the one I showed you on OKX, that you can use your MetaMask also. So once I click on copy, you come down here and you're going to enter that same Arichain wallet address. You come and enter it here, and then once you are through, you come down here and then you click on submit. So after entering all your details, just as you can see, I've entered all my details, my EVM wallet address, my Twitter handle, my Ari wallet address the way I showed you. Then I'll click on submit, and once you click on submit, it is going to load, and you're going to see it here. It said your wallet information has been saved. Look at it here. You're going to see that your wallet information has been saved, so you can also resubmit anytime. See that your wallet information has been saved. You see other people here, they see it here, see it has been saved. So if you want to update it, maybe if you made a mistake, you go back again and redo it. You just click on the # Arichain account registration bot. So bring it up and you fill your details. So if you watch my video to this point and you have not yet subscribed, do me a big favor to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Join the TG community so that you don't miss out on information that we keep sharing. And see you in another updated video. Bye for now.